Hello beautiful people, you're most welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are also welcome. Alright guys, so check below, you will see the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel because we shoot amazing videos on this channel. Please ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please comment, share your thoughts. I'll be so super grateful you did. I don't know if I am the only person that mosquitoes love so much, and I hate them so much, like with my very last energy. I just want to get rid of them all. Are you also like me? Are you in my shoes? If you're in my shoes and you want to deal with those mosquitoes, very bad, please continue watching this video to the very end. Garlic wonders, that's what I call it. Those people hate the smell of garlic. That is how mosquitoes also hate the smell of garlic. Personally, I don't really like garlic. Personally, I also don't really like mosquitoes, but what can I do? Mosquito garlic, mosquito garlic, mosquito garlic. I choose garlic. A mosquito bite can produce more than an angry itching red bomb. It is commonly known for the spread of a parasitic infection like malaria. Although malaria is treatable, but other potential dangerous mosquito-borne infections like Zika can't be prevented with a vaccine, treated with medicine, or even cured. I just want to get rid of them all. Yay! If you are as mad as I am, let the war against mosquito begin. Let's move it. I'm gonna be needing 2 garlic cloves, but if you want to make it in large quantity and store, you can do more than that. Garlic is among your most powerful weapons in the fight against this biting pest because the natural occurring sulfur in garlic sends mosquitoes, flies, ticks, and black flies heading for the hills on a journey of no return. Human nose doesn't detect the smell of garlic after a few minutes of spraying it. Mosquitoes can detect the scent for weeks, making it a perfect choice. I'll be adding a little bit of water and allow it to stay overnight. Give it a nice stir and cover it up. So guys, after allowing it to stay overnight, I'm just going to go ahead and strain. Straining it, I'm going to be pouring it inside my spray bottle. This is where the magic begins, you guys. You're going to go ahead and pour it in every nook and cranny of your house. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing, click on the like button, share your thoughts. Let me know on the comment section if this actually worked for you. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.